I remember her with an apron. Yeah. Yeah, a white blouse and an apron, no slacks at the time in the house. No, she always wore a skirt or dress or house coat and an apron. Not an apron up here, but an apron only at the waist down. And in the kitchen. Very good cook. Chicken soup. Vegetable soup. Oh, vegetable soup, yeah. She would mash the vegetables by hand in a soup. Put a little sour cream in it. Delicious. I can never duplicate it myself. Roast chicken. Steak. My father loved steak. Steak and green beans and boiled potatoes and lettuce, salad, a lot of salad. She made delicious salad dressing, which I could never duplicate either. Yes, she was a very good cook. Tasty, very good. On Passover, she would make what she called was gefrischte matzah, fried matzah. You dip it in egg, very good. That I could make. But her aunt, who lived with us, wouldn't eat the food that she made because she was not sure she was kosher. It was not kosher food, so she would cook her own food. Yeah, that's clear in my mind. Oh yes, I remember we got the first. All the wash used to be done by hand on a washboard. You go up on the roof and hang up the clothes and it's in the dryer. And everybody had their own line on the roof. But my father, after he got one of the early refrigerators with a generator on top, and no more ice from the Iceman, when they first came out with the washing machines, used to be on rollers, and used to have a dryer, a squeeze. You put the two rolling pins, and you put the wet laundry through it, and it squeezed the water out. Then you dry it out. You hung it up the cloth. So I remember she would wheel that into the kitchen, or wheel it into it was in the kitchen. You had to wheel it and connect it up to the kitchen sink, and do the wash there. So that's a memory I have.